Guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So in today's video, we'll be using my round extra short soft gel full nail covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll be sure to have the link to them down below. But I'm just going in and sizing out my nails. If you come across a full nail cover that is either too big or too small, just opt for the bigger one and you can go in with the emery board and size it down. So we'll be using my solid nail tip glue gel for this video. As you guys know, absolutely love this product, game changer. It just makes the whole process of doing nails so much faster. As you guys know, I tried pretty much, well, not everything, but I've tried a few different methods and techniques. I've tried polygel, acrylic, even dip nails, and gel extension, of course. This is the fastest method. So you just go in, the texture is kind of like a putty texture, and you literally just scoop out a pea-sized amount. You get the hang of how much you should be scooping in each full nail cover. Solid nail glue doesn't need to cover the whole nail. You just want to make sure that it covers your nail. So yeah, you just go in, squeeze it, apply it. If any excess gets around the cuticle area, you just want to make sure that you're going in with either a nail tool, or you can just use your fingers and swipe around. And you just want to make sure that you remove that before curing, because after curing, it could just be a little bit difficult and hard to remove. But if you do happen to get some excess around your cuticles after curing, I just recommend going in with cuticle nippers and cutting it off, because if you try going in with a emery board, it's just going to take too long. All right, so we're using a rubber base coat or a rubber gel polish, and this is by my favorite brand, Nails Cat Cat. I absolutely love her gel polishes, but I'm just going in, and I was going to do a builder base method, but then last minute I decided I actually just want to build this color up and actually layer it with a different color. I'm starting to get into that more. You can use a few different shades and mix and match and kind of create your own shade. So that's what we're doing in this video. But I just went in with this as a regular gel polish. These are versatile because you can build them up. It is a rubber base coat, or a builder base as people say. So you can build this up to do like a gel extension look. But I did go in and I did 2 coats of this. As you can see here, I'm swiping the sides. I do this between every layer because it helps eliminate the bulkiness on the sides of your nails. And as always, you want to make sure that when doing gel polish or even applying your soft gel full nail covers, you always want to make sure that you cure your thumb separately. Using this other builder base brand. This one is available for purchase on Amazon, and you do get a set of 5 of their polishes in different colors. They have like browns, nudes, basics, and they're really good. They're really affordable as well. I believe a set of 5 is, I think it's around $15. So they're super affordable and they're super high quality. I love them. But after I just did 1 coat of that. I went in and wipe my nails down before I applied my top coat. And this top coat is by Model Ones. This is their regular gel top coat. This is not their no wipe top coat. I'm sure it's amazing, but I personally love their regular gel top